What happens when probation rumors and online drama collide with real-life court proceedings? Today, a judge confronts allegations swirling on social media, and the truth might surprise you.
And so I know that probation has been receiving emails, but probation is saying that there are no issues. Is that correct?
Judge, yes. So, what prompted today's visit was a supplemental report was submitted to the court in regards to various emails and telephone calls that the officer was receiving, indicating some non-compliance with some terms of probation for Ms. Glass. And I know that the clerks here in our office, in the back office, has received several phone calls as well. So as far as her probation is concerned, her probation officer indicates she's in full compliance. She reports when she's supposed to report. Her UAs have been fine. She's completed some of her classes. She's making her payments on time. There's not any issues. She's just been really compliant at this point. But I know that, Judge, you kind of wanted to talk to her about what's been going on and the claims.
All right. So there were emails saying that you were around inappropriate people on TikTok or whatever. But what I can tell you is that the letters I've received from people in the community saying you're great. So I go on facts. People can start rumors, but for me, it's, yeah, but what do the facts say? And that is why I wanted to have this hearing so that you would know. I don't go on rumors. It's show me the facts. That's why I wanted to know, is there any truth to these allegations? And probation is telling me there's nothing there. So I wanted to let you know in case you were concerned,
Very concerned.
that I was going to do something. I think your attorney will tell you, anytime I have a report about people on probation, normally, unless it's somebody who maybe has picked up a violent offense, I always set it for a hearing so we can have a conversation about it.
Yes, ma'am.
But I did receive some beautiful letters, and they're saying that you're doing excellent, and probation is saying you're doing excellent on probation.
Just trying to change. I run a search and rescue looking for missing persons. That's my nonprofit.
Mhm.
And we were down in Corpus Christi helping a family with permission of my probation officer. He gave me passes. And people were donating to keep me down there. And it just kind of turned into a cancel culture kind of thing where they were just trying to get me in trouble. I even have an email in my bag from the Corpus Christi Police Department stating that I wasn't doing anything wrong.
Yeah.
They tried to get me removed.
Yeah. Well, again, what I can tell you is the emails and letters that I've received have been that you're doing great things.
At the risk of sounding juvenile, Judge, I've looked through her paperwork and Facebook and so forth. She's basically being cyber stalked. There's some people trying to, for lack of a better word, cancel her, and they're making her life terrible at every moment.
Because I will tell you, one of the letters, that's why I wanted to have this hearing too, because one of the letters that probation received that was brought to my attention was saying that there were screaming matches, carrying knives. And I was saying, you know what? We're going to bring her in here because I have letters that saying she's doing great things. Probation is saying she's doing great things. And the last thing I want is for someone who's on probation, who's doing great things, to throw their hands up because they think, oh my gosh, what is the judge going to think? Is the judge going to file a motion to revoke? You know,
Yes, ma'am.
but I always like for people to come in because they're, one of the letters, she's carrying guns. And I said, is there any proof? And Miss Abrams will tell you.
I don't carry a weapon.
Oh, no. Miss Abrams will tell you that's what I put when I said compliance. Is there any merit or truth to these allegations?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
obviously, we have nothing. So what I can tell you is people will say what they will say. You just have to keep your focus on doing good work and doing good deeds, and you'll be fine in this court.
Like in the social media aspect of it, I haven't put anything barking back at them. I refuse to go back and forth with them.
Oh, no,
They
you have
even
to
said,
ignore
let's
that.
go do this on TikTok. And I'm like, come on.
You have to ignore all of that
Yes, ma'am.
and just stay true to yourself and continue doing what you're doing.
Yes, ma'am.
While we're here, Judge, it appears that she's been compliant, and I guess she has the majority, if not all, of her conditions done.
The only thing I have left is MTR. I'm still in it.
The more recognition
Or
therapy.
MRT, I'm sorry.
MRT.
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Ah.
still in it.
So I know where you're going, counselor,
Yes.
but you'll need to confer with the state. But I will tell you, I don't consider early termination unless everything is completed, and then I will consider it.
Okay. Well, you'll hustle to
Yeah.
get that done.
Yes, absolutely.
And then make sure you confer with the state to see if they have any objections for that. How are we on community service hours? Did you do something in lieu of the community
I'm
service
going to
hours?
pay in lieu.
Okay.
I think probation had mentioned something about the community service hours, ma'am.
Judge, I have to check on your docket sheet to see if you were gonna give her any type of credit for completing her parenting class.
Oh, no, I do give credit for completion of parenting class. So I always
Did
think,
parenting, anger management, and then this MRT.
all right, I ordered 200 hours of community service for parenting classes. I'll give her 100 hours deduction for completing the parenting classes. And then with regards to her going out to search for missing persons,
Yes, ma'am.
if she was not financially paid for that, if hours are presented to me, I'll consider giving her some credit for that.
I don't receive any payment at all from my
Oh.
nonprofit.
Okay.
I do it out of the kindness of my heart. The families don't have to pay for me to go look for their missing loved one. I fundraise.
All right. And your attorney will know how to get proof for that to
Okay.
probation.
Wonderful.
Because they just said on the news there's another young boy who's missing. I don't know if he's been found yet.
That's another thing. They contacted me about that, but I was telling my attorney because of the previous hearing that we had, and you said not to work with minors.
Oh, no. I mean, when I say work with minors, that means you cannot babysit. You
Correct.
cannot get a job in the daycare. If you're out searching for people, I think it's best to have as many people searching for people who are missing as possible.
Okay. I just
So-
wanted to clarify that my probation officer said the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's another thing they're spreading wide over the internet. Well, she's
No.
not supposed to be around minors. Blah, blah,
No,
blah,
no,
blah,
no.
blah.
When I say people are not allowed around minors, that means you're not babysitting, you're not a daycare worker, you're not allowed to enter any profession that involves minors. For example, when I tell people you're not to be a home healthcare provider, you're not to be a home healthcare provider.
Understood?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
All right. Good job. Continue what you're doing.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Despite the rumors and online chaos, the court clears the air, showing the real impact of staying compliant. Don't miss future courtroom updates like this. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always first to see the truth unfold.